ChatGPT. So the number one trending topics in the internet is ChatGPT right now. What is this ChatGPT? Is it really helpful for us? ChatGPT can replace the Google. ChatGPT can help you to make money. ChatGPT can help you whatever you want to achieve. All these things we are going to clear in this video. Hello friends, my name is Ratul Bashak and I am the founder of Accessible Computing. I am the CEO of Accessible Computing and you are welcome to the most exclusive video of Accessible Computing YouTube channel. Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. I think this is the first video which we are going to make on ChatGPT in the internet or on the YouTube for the blind and VI community. So don't forget to subscribe this channel if you first time visit me, and don't forget to press the like button because we are uploading videos on regular basis. And if you have any doubts, any comments, anything you want to give any suggestion, so feel free to type your suggestion, comments, whatever in your mind in the comment section. And today is the 26th of January 2023, so happy Republic Day to all of Indian citizens. And for this I'm here with the most trended topics, ChatGPT. So without any delay, let's start today's exclusive episode. Question number one is, what is ChatGPT? So ChatGPT is a chatbot, meaning a robot which can chat with us like a human being. It is designed by OpenAI company. It is a company which is developing artificial intelligence. So I think you all have heard about artificial intelligence, a programming, a bot, a robot which can perform various tasks like human being. So many people are saying that ChatGPT is the future. It may replace the Google. Is it possible? I am giving you the answer. So what is Google? Google is a search engine. Search engine means whenever we type anything in the Google search, Google will try to find the best results for us based on websites and other information available on the Google. For example, if you search how to make videos on YouTube, Google will find the websites with the information related to your search keywords, and it will check the ranks of the website and some other algorithms, and based on that Google will show you some results with the original information, with the original links, original websites. And what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a bot where you can ask some questions and the bot will give you the answers based on the data. You will be more cleared if I will tell you what is the full form of GPT, because the main work process is hidden behind this name GPT. So GPT stands for generative. So ChatGPT is generating something. What she is generating? Generative pre-trained. So artificial intelligence is pre-trained. It do not have any emotions, it do not have any idea, you do not have any creativity. Whatever ChatGPT is given us, it is already pre-trained like a child. And generative pre-trained transformation means it will transform the data. I mean, in ChatGPT there are lot of data available. For example, if you tell ChatGPT how to make YouTube videos, it has several websites, it has lot of data, but it has the potential to organize the data in a professional way and give us the exact result. In Google search, we will get lot of results, lot of advertisement, but in Chat GPT, you will get the results and you think that you are getting reply from a human being, from your friend. So this is the difference between Google and Chat GPT. So easily we can say Chat GPT will never replace the Google search or Google search engine. Now I'm going to tell you what you can do with Chat GPT. It is a text-based bot. So whatever you want to do with the text, you can do. If you want an article on a topic, you can just tell the bot and the bot will give you the proper article. If you want YouTube tags, it can do. If you want translation, it can do. If you want to write any poem, you don't have any proper words, you can tell, it will do. How to tell today in this video, I'm going to give you the live demonstration. So without any delay, let's start demonstrating. To open an account on ChatGPT, just go on Google. I'm opening my Google Chrome and here I'm typing Chat GPT. Press enter.
Google.com/search Q equals chat equals chat plus an X equals Chrome. Rate 10. Chat Google search document focused read only.
I'm going to heading wise.
Main landmark clickable search results heading clickable Chat GPT optimizing language models for dialogue heading
So
revisited link.
this is the first link. So this is the link which you need. So just press enter this link.
Chat GPT optimizing language models for.
Now here you need to click on try it Chat GPT now. Try it Chat GPT now. The exact link I have provided on our official Telegram channel. So if you are not there, please join our official Telegram channel. The link is given into the video description below. So don't forget to join our Telegram channel to get the exact link to create the account. So let me press down arrow.
Link OpenAI, link graphic, list with 4 items, link API, link research, link blog, link about. Out of heading level 1 language heading level 1 for dialogue. We've trained a model called ChatGPT which interacts in a conversational way. The dialogue format.
Okay, so this is a small introduction, a brief introduction about ChatGPT.
Makes it possible for chat premises and train the visited link try chat sub right arrow.
So this is the link where you need to create the account. So I'm just pressing enter here.
Untitled Google Chrome. Just a moment. Google Chrome. Just a moment. Main landmark heading.
Just
level
a moment.
Graphic to get alert you're experiencing exceptionally high demand. Edit focus multi-line blank. Out of edit list with 3 items. Limited knowledge of world and events after. Out of list edit multi-line. Out of edit button. Heading level 1 ChatGPT. Heading level 2 examples.
So I have already created an account on ChatGPT. So now I'm going to tell you the steps to create an account. After clicking on try ChatGPT, you will be asked to sign up or log in. Click on sign up button, then enter your email. After entering your email, you will be filled an CAPTCHA. And thankfully, you will get audio challenge. You can easily enter the audio challenge, you can easily fill the CAPTCHA, then press continue button. You will receive a link in your email to confirm your email. When you press that link, you will get a continue button. Just press continue button and you have to enter your first name, last name and press continue button or next button. Then you have to enter your phone number, then press continue button. You have to enter the code which will send to your phone, and then the Chat GPT bot is ready for you. So now whatever you want, you can do with this bot, and this bot is 70 to 80% accessible. Some unlabeled button is there, but you don't worry about this because now I'm going to show you live examples. So for example, now I'm going to type. For this I'm just go to by edit box. I'm typing
edit multi-line.
So here I need to type whatever I want and then press enter to send the information to bot, and the bot will give me the reply. For example, I'm typing how to make YouTube videos. Make YouTube videos as a blind. So I'm pressing enter here. Now the message is sending. Now I'm pressing up arrow. Let's see. So this is my email address, and below that this is my questions, and below that see
tips for making YouTube videos as a blind person.
Yes, so you will get the answer right. So this is my answer. So I'm pressing down arrow to listen the answer.
List with 6 items. 1.
Wow! So you will get the items by listed items. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4. You get all the points. Like, so it's very amazing. See.
Use a screen reader software to navigate and control the video editing software.
Yes.
2. Use audio editing software to edit and enhance the audio for your videos.
Yes.
3. Collaborate with a sighted person to help with visual aspects of the video, such as filming and
Okay.
editing. 4. Provide clear audio descriptions of any visual elements in the video for your audience.
Okay.
5. Utilize YouTube's automatic captioning feature to provide subtitles for your videos.
Okay.
6. Reach out to the YouTube community for help and support. There are many YouTubers who are blind and they can be a great source of inspiration and advice. Out of list overall, making YouTube videos as a blind person can be challenging, but with the right tools and support, it is possible to create engaging and high quality content. Button. Edit multi-line.
So now let me type some tell me some name of blind YouTubers. So see, I have given the next questions to. This is my questions. So I'm using up and down arrow key only. You can use also tab and shift tab key, but I'm recommending you to use up and down arrow key because it's a chat. So you are chatting with Chat GPT.
Here are a few examples of blind YouTubers.
Okay.
With 3 items. 1. Tommy Edison, who has been blind since birth and runs a popular YouTube channel where he answers questions and shares his perspective on life as a blind person.
Okay.
2. Sassy Outwater, who is a blind lifestyle vlogger and shares her independent and fulfilling life as a blind person. 3. Craig Metal, who is blind and runs a technology review channel where he shares his thoughts on the latest tech products from the perspective of a blind person.
Okay.
4. Kate McDermott, a blind lawyer, civil rights advocate, and motivational speaker. She shares her experiences and tips on accessibility and inclusion for people with disabilities. 5. Anastasia Saunderson, who shares her experiences in life as a blind person. 6. Sinead Burke, an Irish writer and academic who is blind. She shares her perspectives on fat beauty. And 7. Andrew Singh, who is blind and runs a channel called The Blind Life where he shares his thoughts and experiences on life as a blind person. 8. Robert Kinjit, who is blind and runs a lifestyle and entertainment channel where he shares his thoughts. And out of list, these are just a few examples of blind YouTubers. There are many more out there creating great content and inspiring others. Button.
Okay, my name is not there. So maybe in future, our channel name will be there.
Edit multi-line.
Okay, so now I'm just going to give you another example. For example, I want an article on I want an article on Chat GPT, for example. So just I'm tapping I need an article blog post, for example, blog post about Chat GPT. Let's see.
I need a graphic result, I need a Chat GPT button, stop generating multi out of edit button, stop
so there is also stop generating. So if you don't want answer, you can use that stop generating. So it is the generating, then pre-trained transformation. I mean, whatever data it has, based on that, it gives us the input.
So one of the wide generative pre-chat. I need a blog. Chat GPT is a powerful and versatile language. I need a blog post about Chat GPT.
See?
Chat GPT is a powerful and versatile language model developed by OpenAI. It is based on the GPT generative pre-trained transformer architecture and is capable of understanding and responding to.
Sorry, not transformation, transformer.
Range of natural
Okay.
language input. One of the key features of Chat GPT is its ability to generate human-like text. This is achieved through training on the massive dataset of text from the internet, which allows the model to learn the patterns and nuances of human language. As a result, Chat GPT can generate text that is indistinguishable from text written.
Okay, so now I'm just typing another thing. So I'm just going to type write poem about blind. Or I just need some inspirational quotes. Let's see what it's done with ChatGPT.
Here are a few. I need some inspirational quotes. Here are a few inspirational. I need craft button. Wide range of applications. It's natural and wide range button. Graphic. I need. Here are a few inspiration list with 3. I believe you can and you're halfway there. 1. Believe you can and you're halfway there. Theodore Roosevelt.
Yes.
2.
Then
the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. 3. Hardships often prepare ordinary people for an extraordinary destiny. C.S. Lewis. 4. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston.
Right. So whatever you want to ask ChatGPT, you can able to know about whatever topic you want. Whatever thing you need a YouTube description, then it will give you. You need a blog post, then give you. You need a Facebook post, then give you. You need an script, YouTube script, then it's give you. If you need an script, I mean, and so for example, if you run any audio editing course or something. So for example, I'm just giving. I need and
promotion space
promotion
space
script
space
on
space
basic
space space
audio editing with Gold Wave. So let's see. I'm giving this.
Out of edit. I need a promotion script on basic audio editing with Gold Wave. Are you looking to take your audio editing skills to the next level? Look no further than Gold Wave. Gold Wave is a professional digital audio editing software that offers a wide range of features too.
Can you able that ChatGPT know what is Gold Wave? Even I have not given any information about Gold Wave. But
help you create
yes,
high-quality audio recordings and productions. With Gold Wave, you can easily edit and enhance your audio files, add effects, and even create your own music. One of the key features of Gold Wave is its powerful editing tools. You can easily cut, copy, paste, and mix audio segments with precision, making it easy to create seamless transitions and perfect your audio recordings. In addition to editing tools, Gold Wave also offers a wide range of effects to help you enhance your audio. From making compression to reverb and delay, Gold Wave has everything you need to take your audio to the next level. Another great feature of Gold Wave is its support for a wide range of file formats. Whether you're working with WAV, MP3, or even video files, Gold Wave enhances your audio no matter if you're looking to create just that. If you're looking to create your own music, Gold Wave also offers a range of just that. With its built-in synthesizer, you can easily create, and with its support for MIDI files, you can even create your own MIDI compositions. So if you're looking to take your audio editing skills to the next level, give Gold Wave a try. With its powerful editing tools, wide range of effects, and support for a wide range of file formats, Gold Wave has everything you need. Don't wait. Download Gold Wave today and start creating professional audio like a pro. Button.
so this is a promotional script for Gold Wave. So if I want to promote the course, then I can just edit the script, and based on that I can promote the courses whatever I want. So this is the way you can use ChatGPT for your daily purpose. Whatever you want, whatever information you need, you can explore on your own. So this is for today. I have this video is a powerful video for everyone, especially for VI people, to get knowledgeable person, to get any knowledge. So I am requesting everyone to try ChatGPT and get back to me into the comment section with your valuable comments, and based on that I can understand, yes, this video is very helpful for you. So this is all about ChatGPT, and if you want to know more about ChatGPT, you can search on Google. If you want to watch this type of interesting tech videos, don't forget to press the subscribe button and turn the bell icon, choose all notification to get latest posts. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for staying with me till the end. I'm especially happy to help you in this matter and to give you a brief demonstration about ChatGPT. This is for today. See you soon in the next video. Till stay safe, take care, and try ChatGPT. Thank you. Bye bye.